Have you or someone you know been considering a reverse mortgage? My primary intent in this video is to educate you on the finer details of a reverse mortgage. Hello, my name is Ryan and I'm with Illinois Homebuyers. As a local trusted home buying company, we get a lot of phone calls from homeowners facing difficult financial situations regarding their home. A very common topic that always comes up is a reverse mortgage. I would like to make it very clear, by no means am I an expert in reverse mortgages. What I am is a professional local home buyer that has spent extensive amounts of time researching reverse mortgages for homeowners. This includes hours upon hours of research on the internet, dozens of books read from front to back, from loan originators all the way up to many experts in the field. If you are considering a reverse mortgage, I would highly consider to seek out an elderly law attorney. Okay, so first things first, what is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage is an insured loan product that allows homeowners at the age of 62 or older to access a portion of their home equity in cash, monthly payments, or even a lump sum. Instead of it being a conventional style loan where you pay it forward, it is the exact opposite. Hence the term reverse. You get paid monthly instead of paying monthly. You make no payments until you, the borrower, permanently leaves, sells the property, or when you pass away. The amount you can receive is based upon the age of the youngest borrower and how much equity you have in the home, and its appraised value. For instance, if you are a super senior, you may be able to receive up to 70% equity versus a 62-year-old that may receive 50%. Keep in mind that your appraised value of your home is not always worth what you think it may be. An appraiser must take into account recent comparable sales in your area, and many of these may be distressed, short sales, or even foreclosures, which greatly decreases your home value. Okay, yes, so you get the money to pay off your debts, the feeling of guaranteed security, and the title remains the same. So, sounds like a really good deal, huh? Well, for some it is. I would like you to never lose sight that a reverse mortgage is a money-making business for the bank. Banks are set up to make as much money as they can off of us. Common practice for loan originators is to get you to pay the most interest and fees they can. Most banks pay their loan originators based off of the interest and the fees they charge you. Just keep in mind when considering a reverse mortgage, the originator is not there to put any doubts in your mind when considering a loan. Well, so do you even qualify? Well, if you owe more money than the home is worth, which is a most common scenario, forget about a reverse mortgage. They won't even consider it. As a local home buying company that specializes in delinquent property taxes, if you cannot show your ability to pay your property taxes, you may not be able to qualify for the loan. Taxes, insurance, and repairs are still considered to be paid out of your pocket. If you are delinquent on your property taxes, they are to be brought current at the time of the reverse mortgage is originated. The quickest way to lose your property to a reverse mortgage is to forget to pay your property taxes. I've seen threatening letters from lenders within 2 weeks of property taxes not being paid. Keep in mind that your property taxes are often adjusted upwards every year, even if real appraised values go down. With Illinois state and local municipalities scrambling to find revenue to support social just causes, Medicare, and outrageous public sector pensions, could you imagine what property taxes will look like in as little as 5 years? You see, month by month, the interest rate at 5+% a year on a reverse mortgage is added to the amount owed on top of the fees, which are anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. Nothing like a conventional style loan. Can the equity in the house keep up pace with these burdens? Certainly not in today's markets. Goodbye inheritance. The fact is, every month your home is worth less to your heirs. If you ever consider to leave the asset with a loved one, a reverse mortgage can be a burden. I've seen numerous amount of heirs have to pay off reverse mortgage debts. Look, if you are in need of quick cash, I would highly consider selling the home, especially if you're delinquent on your property taxes and coming up on redemption. I know, I get this a lot. Well, Ryan, I've lived in the home for 20, 30 years. I have so many memories here. I get it. I understand. But reality is, Your house is one of your biggest and most important assets you have. Other than that, it's just brick and concrete with a roof. All of your memories will always be with you in your heart. I'm here to guide you and help you make the best financial decision you can make. To sum it up, ask yourself one question. Are you and your spouse going to live here for the rest of your lives? With 100% certainty. If the answer is anything but an unqualified yes, think twice about a reverse mortgage. In 5 to 10 years, the cost of the loan might be outrageous. The interest against equity adds up quickly. Your upfront costs and fees will be lost forever. Don't lose sight that every month you owe more than you receive. It is most likely that you won't have the cash to buy out the reverse mortgage and apply for a forward mortgage to cover the reverse. If you still consider a reverse mortgage, I highly consider talking to an elderly law attorney. I also recommend talking to multiple loan originators and to get multiple quotes. I hope this video was of some help. If I missed anything left out or any questions unanswered, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below, and I will be glad to get to you.